In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin on Google Workspace in just about 5 minutes. This straightforward guide will help you navigate through Google Workspace's admin settings with ease, ensuring you can assign administrative privileges to a member of your team quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to go to Google Workspace. This might sound pretty basic, but it's the gateway to all the administrative functionalities you're looking for. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is an important step because you'll want to ensure that you're using the account that has the necessary permissions to make changes within Google Workspace. After selecting your account, the next step is to enter your password. Remember to keep your password secure and to not share it with anyone. Security is key in managing your team's workspace efficiently and safely. Once you've successfully entered your password, you'll see a button marked Next. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This action will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now look for the square dot icon located at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This icon represents the Google Apps launcher, and clicking on it will reveal various Google services and applications available to you, including the admin console. To access the admin settings, you'll need to go directly to the admin console. You can either navigate there through the Google Apps launcher by finding the admin icon, or simply click on the direct link provided here, https://admin.google.com/u/6/ac/home?HL=. Upon reaching the admin console, the real fun begins. Next up, click on Account. This will lead you to a section where you can manage various account settings. But what we're interested in today is granting admin privileges, so you'll want to click on Admin Roles next. This action opens up a world where you can assign, modify, or remove admin roles as you see fit. In the Admin Roles section, you'll notice an option to Assign Admin. Clicking on this is your cue to select whom you want to elevate to admin status. By clicking Assign Members, you'll be prompted to type in the name of the person you're looking to assign as an admin. Once you start typing, profiles matching your input will begin to appear. Click on the profile of the individual you wish to assign admin roles to. This selection is crucial as it determines who will have elevated access within your Google Workspace. With the individual's profile selected, the last step is to click on Assign Role. This is the final gate through which administrative powers are bestowed. By confirming this action, you effectively grant admin rights to the selected team member, empowering them to manage your Google Workspace alongside you. And there you have it. Making someone an admin on Google Workspace is a straightforward process, provided you follow these steps carefully. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ensure that the individuals you're promoting to admin status are trustworthy and understand the nuances of managing your team's workspace. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keep tuning in for more tips on managing your digital workspace effectively and securely.